Okay, so in this code, you want to use here the Lancet 8, and you try to take the like
Yes.
cloud cover. Okay. So did you check how much image is available? And
Yes, it
and another
was.
problem is
Fun.
that it not showing the purple color. Why? So all of function show as a black color.
I saved it, but I open now. It does
Okay,
not
so this
show.
problem is that you are not create the cloud project. Okay, so you can see
Oh,
your name is not beside your name. There is no name. Okay, so this is the another problem. But when you want to open the cloud project, then it show the name.
can I open the new code editor?
Yeah, just open and
It shows. It shows. You see the name.
yeah, yeah. So now it's your cloud project. It's okay. So now open the code and run it again.
Now the code is clear
Yeah.
here.
Okay. So now, okay. So export image. To select this all of band. Folder region. Go to the app and you try to calculate it the mean composite or average composite.
Where? Mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Okay, no problem. But
Use.
median is more better because when you want to use at the median, then
Yes.
all of unnecessary noisy pixel automatically removed, and we can get the more better
Yes.
imagery. And further, after median, you have to use the clip function. Just use here the dot clip with your study area. Oh,
My study area, it was in a point a point. I want to download the whole screen, the whole scene,
okay, so you want to download the scene.
the scene. Yes.
Okay, so for downloading the scene, okay, did you open the
Mm.
scene in the Google Earth engine? Just open it and show also that. Just open. Only just map. Just add the layer of your scene. Which scene you want to download?
The layer.
Yeah, map.add layer. Is it at the any layer or
They
not?
run the
Yeah, run the
code.
code. Yeah, run the code and check any layer added or not.
Will be added.
Okay, and also use the map.center object and also randomly go to the focus your study area.
Okay.
Map.center object ROI. Get the ROI
Yes.
and run the code. Now it automatically your study area or point
Oh.
your study the whole image. Okay? This whole
Nice.
scene want to download. Yeah.
Yes, I want the whole scene because my area of
Okay, understood.
interest is within this scene.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is the scene.
This one.
Okay. Now go to the
Yes,
code.
this is a scene that.
Basically,
Yes.
this whole scene come from the L8.
Yes,
Yeah,
L8.
L8 is stored your whole median composite. And further,
Yes, yes.
try to here. Okay. This problem is that region. You try to put the region. Region is only for the
Yeah.
point. Okay. And region is just a point.
Yes, the point.
But you want to download this whole tiles. And
Yes, all
okay,
tiles.
just print the L8. Just print the L8. Just print
L
8. Okay, just use the print
is
function.
this one.
Yeah, 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 this one. Just
This
uncheck and
code.
run. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And run it. So it is it
Should I?
yeah, run and go to the console. Run it, run it. It's okay, no problem. Run.
Okay.
Also uncomment this type of things. Not many. Just simply line number 12 and 13. Just it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Just remove the slash. Yeah. And now run the code. It provide image. Yes, this image
Yes.
have total bands. All of band
30.
get in here. And further you this image.
Yes.
Okay, so just remove the two float function. Simply remove two float.
If I remove to floating,
Yeah, yeah, just two
there
float.
is an error.
Just remove it.
There is an error.
And
Yes.
also, yeah, and you select the band before the median composite. Just
Before
copy,
the
yeah, before
yeah.
the median, just the dot select function and make the list all of
Here.
band. Okay, before the median. Yeah, yeah. After filter date,
Okay.
just copy and paste.
This one.
Yeah, yeah, this one. Dot select. Yeah. L8 not need. Only dot select and all of band. Yeah, yeah, all of band.
Yes.
You copy or cut and then paste here, paste here, and also remove from here, remove from line, from the export to drive. Just
Export.
only
Oh,
dot select all of band name. Just remove. Only keep L8
okay. Okay. Okay.
because before the median, all of band we need to mention. Also remove the band name B1, B2, B3, or also mention the band name from the export port.
This B1, B2.
Only line number
This
13.
one.
Yeah, this one remove. Just keep only L8. Other just remove.
Okay.
Also remove the bracket. Remove the parenthesis. Okay, so now, okay, so you put the folder name group 5 region. Okay, in this time region, uh your region just a point. Okay,
Yes.
okay, not need
Point.
to mention, not need to
The
mention that.
marker.
Yeah, that's why
No
download it
need.
only for this marker, only for this marker. Download it. Just uncheck it. Just remove the ROI
Okay.
and now try to download. I get only for the seconds. When you want to export or any
Yes.
GOT file format, we define the
Yes.
study area. Suppose this
Yes.
area I want to need, but in this time, your area
Yes.
that show as a point.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's the
It
problem.
fails.
It show the problem. The problem. So it show the export too large. So we have to define the max pixel. So just simply
Yes.
after scale value, put the comma sign 13, put the comma sign, and put here the
Yes.
max pixel, max pixels 113. Now try again. Now I hope it. Now the big study area, so that's why take some time.
Okay. Okay. I will let you know.
Okay, okay, you also
Thank you, sir. Yes. Yeah.
okay. So any problem?
Can I stop
Yeah,
my screen?
go to the Google Meet and then
Okay.
stop presenting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Sir, please, I don't know if you have a tutorial on how to get the deforestation data, or I don't know.
Deforestation.
Yes,
Okay, so
that's
you can also
something
use
that.
that the Hansen data out that forest loss or forest gain. From the forest loss
Yeah.
and forest gain, we can also find out the deforestation rate. Hansen data we can
Okay.
in the Google. You can simply search. Then you can. Okay, any problem here? And tomorrow I will be busy with some other tasks. But if I don't take the class, then before 1 hour I will inform in the WhatsApp group. So before 1 hour I also inform if I take the class
So
or
that,
not.
so there is a big chance to have day off tomorrow.
Yes, yes. So tomorrow I will be late. But for that, if I don't take the class, this class will be held on the Friday and Saturday, because we have only for the 2 days. So Friday and Saturday we take the class. The next Friday and Saturday. And if I take the class, then I will inform before 1 hour or 2 hours. I will. Okay. I will inform.
Okay.
And if I don't take the class, then class will be held on the Friday. Next class will be held on the Friday, and Saturday will be last class.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.